I will tell you how to use Google Classroom. For this, you type Google Classroom on Google Chrome, or you can download Google Classroom app on your Android mobile phone. Click on second option, that is Google Classroom. You have to log in using your Gmail ID. I am already having a Google login, so directly my classroom will open. For those who are new, you have to click on plus sign on the right hand side. For students, you have to click on join class, and faculty has to click on create class. So these fields are required. For class name, TE, section ETRX, subject COA, room number 203, create. So this will create your new classroom that will be having the class name TE, branch electronics. Now this is the first time you can see communicate with your class here. So you click on share something with your class. So you can suppose I have to share PPT. I will be adding. Now 4 options come. Either you can share from Google Drive or some link, or you can upload some file, or you can share YouTube video. I am uploading file from my PC. I am having these many files. Suppose I am sharing memory unit. So memory unit, you can add more files, but I will be uploading this only. So you see, scroll downwards. You see it has been added. Now I have to post it to the class. Now I have posted this in the classroom, but to get the access to the students for the first time, they should know this code of the classroom. Also I can share this link from here, that is copy link, and this could be shared by mail or WhatsApp or whatever you feel like. But with this, it is compulsory for you to share this code with the students. Now when we are giving some PPT, of course we will have to access them. So classwork, we could assign them some work. So either you can give assignment or quiz assignment or anything. So I am clicking on assignment. Assignment either could be created on a Google form, or it could be uploaded from your PC. So suppose I am giving the assignment title COA. So I will be, instructions are optional. Now I will add the file. Again 4 options are available. So I will upload the file from my PC. Assignment COA, open. So I can add more files, but just now I am uploading this single assignment. Now if you want to evaluate, students can view this file. There are 3 options. You can give the edit option to the students, or you can make a copy for each student. I am giving students can view file. Now I will assign rubrics or marks to this. So for assignment, suppose I am taking 10 marks. It is only just an example. You can take these marks and whatever is required as per your syllabus. I am giving due date, that is where when they are supposed to submit the assignment. Suppose I am taking this Tuesday. I am specifying time also. It is optional. Now rubric, if you want to, like, you can reuse rubric, you can create rubric. I am using it for the first time, so I am creating rubric. The options you can, for example, I am taking on time submission. On time submission. For this I will give for 5 points, and now I will add, suppose I am adding another criteria. Now the criteria, suppose I am giving it content. Points again I will give it 5. Either you can type or you can use this scroll bar to give marks. Now all this thing we have done, but it is necessary for you to save this. Still the assignment has not been assigned to students because we have not clicked on this assigned thing. Okay, so now once we have clicked this assign thing, assignment created. You can see assignment is created. You can see this over here. Okay, now it is, we haven't shared it with the student, so this score is 0 just now. Okay, once you share it with your students, you can see things over here. Okay, you can view your assignment from here.